Previously on Table Flippers. All right, let's, oh shoot. Okay, let's just, where'd it go? Layla, you're blocking. Oh, it was on DIY. We took our kid's old raggedy table that was falling apart and transformed it into something amazing. Now, in this week's video, to make this table truly unique, we're gonna add some art. Now on to the digital sketching. I always like to do digital sketches before I put the painting on the actual piece. This helps me to get a good idea of where I want to place certain things, the colors that I want to use, which colors are working together and what's not working together. It just gives me a really good idea to work from so that I don't have to make too many changes when I actually put it onto the surface. So I'm gonna lay down a nice layer of gesso just around the spots that I know that I'm gonna be painting in, and then once this dries, I'll hit it with just one more layer of gesso. Getting that jumbo print from FedEx, cause my printer ain't fancy. Now after using some transfer paper, let's see if the image came out all right. Beautiful, baby. This is my little setup for this project since this table is so big I can't do it on my desk, so I just moved this desk thingy over here, put my little paints on the side. And then what I usually like to do is, instead of painting from like left to right on the board, I like painting by color. So if I know that this is gonna be orange and that's gonna be orange and that's gonna be orange, I paint all the things that are orange first so that I don't waste any paint, because these things are expensive. I don't have a lot of it. I try to make it last as much as I can. And I also add this satin glazing liquid because the paints don't dry up as quickly. And then whatever paint I don't use, you can wrap it in cellophane and store it in the fridge. It'll make it last a little longer. And as I mentioned before, the best way to get really nice, clean results is to put down very thin layers and build up your colors as you go. It looks a lot better than to just slab on a big, thick layer of paint. I'm pretty much done. I'm just adding the finishing touches.